Hi, friends! Let's learn 50 verbs. A verb is a word that describes an action or a state of being. Eat. I am eating. Drink. She is drinking. Run. She is running. Play. They are playing blocks. Read. Kids are reading book. Catch and throw. They are throwing and catching ball. Dance. They are dancing. Sit. They are sitting on the sofa. Sing. They are singing. Walk. She is walking. Sleep. He is sleeping. Cook. Mom is cooking. Wave. She is waving hello. Ride. She is riding a bike. Push. He is pushing. Smell. He is smelling flowers. Skip. She is skipping. Swim. He is swimming. Feed. She is feeding cat. Hug. They are hugging. Take. They are taking photo. Cry. Baby is crying. Swing. He is swinging. Drive. He is driving a tractor. Laugh. They are laughing. Open and close. The door opens and closes. Brush. She is brushing teeth. Wash. I am washing my face. Comb. She is combing hair. Write. He is writing. Jump. He is jumping. Listen. He is listening to music. Clap. She is clapping. Pour. I am pouring water. Cut. I am cutting vegetable. Climb. He is climbing a tree. Help. She is helping a friend. Kick. He is kicking a ball. Clean. She is cleaning. Watch. Kids are watching a TV. Plant. She is planting. Bake. Cake is baking. Fold. She is folding clothes. Paint. He is painting. Shout. He is shouting. Share. He is sharing his cookies. Draw. He is drawing. Buy. She is buying a fish. Look. She is looking at mirror.